So the question is about the nephron. As you know, the nephron is the basic functional unit of our kidney. So the nephron does so many functions. That is, it does the filtration process and then absorption of certain materials, reabsorption of certain materials, so that it finally it forms a it releases the concentrated urine from it. So such a very important part of a kidney is known as the nephron. So if the nephron inside the nephron, you can find the different parts. One is known as the glomerulus part or the Bowman's capsule. Actually, this Bowman's capsule and glomerulus, they are responsible for filtering the, or you can say that it is a physical filter mechanism is taking place here. Then you can find the loops. The first one is the proximal convoluted tubule, then Henle's loop, then distal convoluted tubule. This distal convoluted tubule connects into the collecting tubule. The collecting tubule collects the urine from different nephrons in that region, and then it finally goes and all the collecting tubule join together and forms a ureter. So this is the structure about the nephron. So in this nephron, each part has got its own function. As already told you, the Bowman's capsule is responsible for filtering, physical filter mechanisms. So like that, if you take the proximal convoluted tubule, this part is the proximal convoluted tubule. It is responsible for the reabsorption of high threshold substances from the renal tubules, and most of the water is reabsorbed in this area. So removal of this part leads to diluted urine. So that is the correct answer. D is the correct answer, because if this part is removed, there will not be reabsorption of water. So when there is no reabsorption of water, then it leads to the more diluted urine. So in this region, almost all glucose amino acids are absorbed by secondary active transport ions like sodium, potassium, vitamins are also reabsorbed in this region. So this proximal convoluted tubule is very, very important. Once if you remove it, it leads to the more diluted urine. That is the correct answer for this. So like this, you have to identify what is the function of each part of the nephron. Then only you can answer for this.